The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to help some people lose weight. The idea behind the diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it is burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Here is a sample keto diet plan for weight loss. Eat plenty of healthy fats. Good sources of healthy fats include avocado, olive oil, nuts, and coconut oil. Include protein with every meal. Choose protein sources like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Avoid high-carb foods. This includes grains, beans, legumes, and most fruits. Instead, focus on low-carb vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and peppers. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important on the keto diet, as it can help to prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Consider adding supplements. Some people find it helpful to add supplements to their diet, such as MCT oil or exogenous ketones, to help support the ketogenic state. It is important to note that the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, and it is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Thanks for watching.